I'm Joy Wilson, better known as Joy the Baker. I'm a recipe developer and cookbook author from Houston, Texas. Today we're making raspberry and cream cheese kolaches. I'm going to start off by mixing full-fat Greek yogurt, sugar, and salt in this bowl. Kolaches are a yeasted, buttery pastry that they make often in Texas. You can do them sweet or savory. I love both, but today we're making a sweet rendition with raspberry jam and cream cheese filling. So we have our yogurt mixture. I want to add melted butter into this as well. So in here we have our Greek yogurt, unsalted butter, sugar, and salt. I'll just leave this to rest. We'll whisk up some eggs because this is an enriched dough that makes the dough super forgiving. In the bowl of our stand mixer, we're going to combine all-purpose flour, instant yeast, warm water, our beaten egg, and then we have our butter Greek yogurt mixture. I like to use a spatula to just dig around in this bowl, kind of bring it to a shaggy dough before we put it on the dough hook. We're gonna let this whirl around in the mixer for about 5 minutes. Here's what the dough is gonna look like when it's ready to go. It's a soft dough, and you can notice that it's pulled apart from the sides of the bowl. That's what you want. I just want to put the dough on the counter so you can see what it looks like. It really is so luscious, and it's all the fat that's in this dough that keeps it from sticking. And you can tell that that yeast is nice and active because when you press it, it bounces back. We'll place this in a greased bowl, and the key is to let this dough rest and rise overnight. While the dough is resting, I want to bring together the cream cheese filling and the crumble topping. So cream cheese filling starts with cream cheese, obviously the best part. Just because cream cheese can be a little stiff, I like to mix it around the bowl just to soften it to be a little bit more pliable. Scrape down the sides of the bowl. One pro tip is to always crack an egg into a small bowl before you put it into your ingredients, because the number of times I get a shell in here, like literally right now, the best way to get a shell out of your egg is to use half of a shell. It's like they're magnets. We'll add our egg, some powdered sugar, a little bit of salt, and some vanilla bean paste. Just let this blend on low speed. So here's our filling. I'm just gonna scrape this into a bowl. Next, we'll quickly mix up our crumble topping. We have all-purpose flour, some sugar. We'll toss this together. Then we have some melted butter here. We'll just stir this together into a whole crumbly mixture. Here we have our crumble topping and our two fillings, the cream cheese filling and the raspberry jam. So we're all set. Our dough is rested overnight. Let it come to room temperature a bit before you start working with it. Put a little flour down on the counter. Oh, that sound. This recipe makes 20 kolaches. If you have a kitchen scale, you can portion your dough out into 50-gram portions or 1 3/4 ounces, or if you want to go rogue like I am, you can just eyeball it. Boom, 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 boom. We're gonna roll these one by one, shape them into balls, and then place them on our baking sheet. We did it, look at these little babies. So now we need to make a little space for our filling. And I like to just use my fingers to press a generous indentation into each piece of dough. Then we'll add a tablespoon of the cream cheese filling and a tablespoon of raspberry jam. Find a local jam maker and use their jam for these beautiful kolaches. Last but not least, we're gonna add a little bit of our crumble topping. Put these in the oven. They'll bake at 350 for about 15-20 minutes. Here they are! Oh my goodness. I like to serve these warm, kind of just out of the oven. Serve them with milky coffee or like a big glass of cold milk. They're just so tender and sweet little pastry bites. I'm Joy the Baker, and these are my raspberry cream cheese kolaches.